Want to speak real Polish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at polishpod101.com.
Hello everybody, welcome to Top Polish Words. My name is Marzena and today we will talk about what are your top 10 language learning goals for the year. So here we go. Skończę survival phrases na polishpod101.com słuchając 2 lekcji dziennie. I will finish survival phrases series on polishpod101.com by listening to 2 lessons a day. Skończę survival phrases na polishpod101.com słuchając 2 lekcji dziennie, which means I will finish survival phrases series on polishpod101.com by listening to 2 lessons a day. To set yourself a realistic goal, and then when you can actually measure what you did, and every day you listen just to 2 lessons, it's roughly maybe 20, 25, 30 minutes. If you want to review, it can be up to 1 hour, but it's very easy to do. So I would say, like, set yourself realistic goals and give yourself feedback and challenge yourself and try to do little by little, baby steps every day. And this is something that will lead you to success in language learning. Skończę książkę po polsku czytając 10 stron dziennie. I will finish reading 1 Polish book by reading 10 pages a day. Skończę książkę po polsku czytając 10 stron dziennie. We will finish, which means I will finish reading 1 Polish book by reading 10 pages a day. 10 pages a day doesn't seem like a big challenge, right? Yet, it's really possible to finish even the longest book by just doing that, just 10 pages a day. When you are choosing a book, remember about one very important thing. Don't choose book that is too difficult for you. So choose book where you can read it without actually looking up words in the dictionary. What I mean is that if you spend more time looking for words in dictionary than reading the book, the whole fun is not there. That's one thing. This is not helping you to learn. So that's one very important rule. Choose book that is at your level and then just try to read 10 pages a day. And maybe one day you will say, 15 or 20 because it's so interesting. So just remember, choose interesting book, not too high level, and read at least 10 pages a day. And that's something everybody can do. Good luck! Zdam test z polskiego. I will pass my Polish test. Zdam test z polskiego. Which means I will pass my Polish test. So maybe you are on vacation in Poland and you are taking some kind of Polish language course, and there's a lot of courses offered all around the Poland, a very nice way to spend your vacation as well. And then, of course it's nice to take different kind of courses, but then, you've got some kind of Polish certificate or Polish test, and that's a good goal to set for yourself. And once you do it, once you pass it, it's like, this kind of feeling of achievement that makes you happier about yourself and makes you, you wanna do more, you wanna try more. Yeah, it's a good goal for your language learning, and you can study with polishpod101.com materials and prepare yourself for a Polish, for example, certificate course. So good luck! Zrozumiem w pełni jeden polski film, oglądając go codziennie. I will fully understand 1 Polish movie by watching it every day. Zrozumiem w pełni jeden polski film, oglądając go codziennie. Which means I will fully understand 1 Polish movie by watching it every day. And don't be, too hard on yourself, even if you don't understand it fully. It's okay. Once you get the general plot, that's perfect. That's a very good practice. You don't have to understand every single grammar point in every single sentence. That's not the point. Watch, enjoy, and good movies for that. I would recommend you Killer, which basically the Polish title is Killer, which is a very funny comedy and very relaxing, and I guess the language is not so difficult, so that's one of the movies I would recommend you. Totally, watch Killer. Przedstawię się po polsku moim polskim przyjaciołom w ciągu 3 minut. I will give a 3-minute introductory speech in Polish to my Polish friends. Przedstawię się po polsku moim polskim przyjaciołom w ciągu 3 minut. This basically means I will give a 3-minute introductory speech in Polish to my Polish friends. What's so good about this goal is that you actually tell yourself, 2 sentences is not enough. You have to go further. you have to say something more like my name is, it's not enough anymore. So 3 minutes, it's setting a realistic goal. You can measure it with actually a clock. And this is something you can achieve within the first few months of the year. And then from that you can go up. Good luck with that one. Nauczę się na pamięć 5 polskich piosenek. I will memorize 5 Polish songs. Another good way of studying Polish and another good goal for you is nauczę się na pamięć 5 polskich piosenek. I will memorize 5 Polish songs. What's so good about it is that songs are relatively easy to memorize, and then you learn new words out of it. And it's actually enjoyable when you listen to songs. You can try to sing it, you can try to repeat it, and then you kind of memorize it. And that's something that will stay with you for a long time, because every time you hear this memory, you will be like, remembering all these words, and it will be coming to your head. And it was like, whoa, I know Polish almost. A good band I would recommend you would be Elektryczne Gitary, which can be translated as electric guitars. Elektryczne gitary, please check it out. Zapamiętam 350 słów za pomocą fiszek z polishpod101.com. I will finish memorizing 350 words with flashcards on polishpod101.com. Another good goal for the whole year is zapamiętam 350 słów za pomocą fiszek z polishpod101.com, which basically means I will finish memorizing 350 words with flashcards from polishpod101.com. I'm not a big fan of flashcards, but they can really help you, get this sense of achievement. So when you are trying to play with them, remember to make simple sentences as well. And remember, this is not the only way of studying a language, but that's a very good helper, something that will help you get, more confident in your skills. And I guess will help you memorize new words as well. So just try it. Maybe that's the way for you. Napiszę 10 kartek pocztowych po polsku do moich polskich znajomych. I will write 10 postcards in Polish to my Polish friends. Napiszę 10 kartek pocztowych po polsku do moich polskich znajomych. I will write 10 postcards in Polish to my Polish friends. What's good about postcards is that they don't have to be long, so you don't really have to be very good. And there is some, set phrases that you can look up on the internet. You can check polishpod101.com for that. And some things you can use, very simple sentences, and then just practice. And you are practicing writing as well. Writing can be very tricky, especially in Polish when you have two different ż. One is RZ, the other one is the ż with the dot on the top, and there's which one to use. Actually, I have problems with that too. Don't worry. So this is a very good way to practice the language, the actual language. Nauczę się, jak mówić o przeszłych, teraźniejszych i przyszłych wydarzeniach. I will learn how to talk about past, present and future events. Another good thing to tell your story is to nauczę się, jak mówić o przeszłych, teraźniejszych i przyszłych wydarzeniach. Which basically means I will learn how to talk about past, present and future events. Zapamiętam 150 słów poprzez uczenie się 5 słów dziennie. I will master 150 words by memorizing 5 words a day. Okay, another one could be zapamiętam 150 słów przez uczenie się 5 słów dziennie. Which means I will master 150 words by memorizing 5 words a day. 5 words a day doesn't sound really difficult, right? Yet, by doing that for another 30 days, and that's only 1 month, you can actually get up to 150, and 150 is an achievement. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Could you suggest some more language learning goals? Please put some more language learning goals in comments. And if you like this video, please remember to like it here on YouTube. And if you want to learn more, go to polishpod101.com. Thank you for listening. Cześć!